Today we're going to install the driver rear passenger door trim panel on this 2010 Chevy Silverado. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. Let's pick up the door and we're going to latch this cable right into here. So first thing we're going to do is put the little ball back there right into right there. When you do this, you'll understand what I'm talking about. It's right here. So let's go ahead and put that little ball in there and secure that into place. Alright, there it is. Now I'm going to put that little hook right into there to secure it. Just like so. Perfect. Now let's go ahead and pass the pigtail over right in there and connect the window switch. Alright, just like that. Let's go ahead and put this switch into place. Perfect. Now this right here goes right in this plastic piece right here, right behind the door. So we have to hook it on like that. Then we're able to bring the door on up and over and latch it into place, just like so. Then we're able to secure everything down. Alright, so let's go ahead and just make sure everything is into place. There it is. Perfect. Perfect. Now we're able to smack it down. Perfect. Perfect. Let's go ahead and grab these side trim pieces. Goes right in here. Just like so. This one here. Just like so. Let's go ahead and put in our 3 10mm bolts here and 2 right there. Alright, and using a 10mm, let's go ahead and secure these down. Perfect. And for this one, you might need 2 hands to be able to move the lever over. Yep, I'm gonna need both hands. Now let's go ahead and put the covers back on. This little thing is gonna go in there, so this is gonna go upwards, just like so. Then this one here is gonna go in just like this. And that's it, and you're done. And that is how you install a new door. I have this here on this 2010 Chevy Silverado. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.